I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. Setting up payments on your Shopify store can feel overwhelming, but it is essential for running your business smoothly. Here is a straightforward guide to get you started. Step 1. Log into your Shopify account. Access your Shopify dashboard by entering your credentials. This is where you manage all aspects of your store, including payment settings. Step 2. Navigate to Settings. Once logged in, scroll down to the bottom left corner of the dashboard and click on Settings. This is where you can find various options to customize your store. Step 3. Select Payments. In the Settings menu, click on Payments. This section allows you to choose which payment methods you want to enable for your customers. Step 4. Choose your payment provider. You can select from various payment providers like Shopify Payments, PayPal, or third-party gateways. Follow the prompts to set up your preferred payment method. Step 5. Test your payment setup. After setting up your payment method, it is crucial to run a test transaction to ensure everything works correctly. Try making a small purchase to confirm the process. Remember, if you miss the Activate button after setting up Shopify Payments, your customers want to be able to use that option. I hope this guide helps you set up payments smoothly. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.